Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I wanted to show you once again, when you have a windy day like today, one of the best ways to make a fire is to just collect some punkwood, get it started, and let the wind blow it into flames. That's what we're looking for. Lightweight, spongy. That'll be enough. All right, I'm just gonna tear that punkwood apart, put it in the stove, save out the driest pieces for the top, and then we'll empty BIC ignite those and let the wind take it to flames. I'm thinking this will make a pretty good platform for the drier punkwood to sit on and build that huge ember. Let's try that piece. All right, let's give that a chance to build up, and it will be going to flames with all this wind. All right, y'all, do me a favor, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.